Sabadi in means hello. I want Malaysia saying Sabadi. Sabadi, okay. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Ampewan Supanthorn. My nickname is Mr. James. So, I am the president of Mr. and Miss Beauty Thawalao Company. And I am the part of the government also. I am the president of Lao government sector for international cooperation. So in this year, it's the second year already. We do event with Malaysia. So thank you very much for Jenny, the president of this project. So I always talk with Jenny all the time to do the exchange culture, and then we start to do last year and this year. So it's very grateful that we do the event together. So in future, I hope so, not just only the exchange culture. We hope so we will do more, like a business or anything else that we can do in future. So in this time, I bring the students from Laos, 7 students to come and join, and with their parents also. So we use time to come here 3 hours, 5 from Laos to here, so it's quite tired. So because before we come here, I also have event. All day cannot sleep and then come to Malaysia. Malaysia is very kind person, and everyone also kind for Laos. So hopefully in future, I want to cooperate more for business, for anything else. Okay? And next year, I also invite all Malaysia to come and join my event also in Laos. I also do international pageant with the government, under the government Laos. So in this year, we also do Beauty Power International Fashion Week on 2025. We have 20 countries to join with us. Next year, I hope maybe more than 20. And this year, Jenny also joined with my event. So when we do the event like this, international pageant, so we will meet many people around the world. And sure, we can exchange the culture and cooperate with many things together. So, and today, I would like to thank you, Dr. Sopa Intawongsa. He from Ministry of Lao Culture and Tourism, and his team also follow us to come here. Okay, thank you very much for Mr. Sopa to come here and join with us. And hopefully in future we will to have a good time together again. Thank you very much for today.